What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the title, we are cooking lunch. Before we start this video, I want to ask you guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. And, you know, when I do better in the YouTube algorithm, videos do better. It just kind of works like that. So, today, we are making lunch. As you guys could tell, it's taco day. So I got my sack lunch right here, and we're gonna make some tacos. But I don't have anything to heat up my tacos with. But I do have a 240 that gets relatively warm, you know, when you're driving it around. So let's tear in here and start prepping some tacos. So here I got my sack lunch. I have some tortillas, 10 flour tortillas. I probably won't need all those. I have some roasted fajita chicken. I have Goya black beans, white rice, and I have some taco Sargento cheese, the good stuff. And of course, you can't have tacos without a nice lunchtime yoo-hoo. So let's get this going. I know you guys are thinking, how the heck are you gonna do that? You're an idiot. You shouldn't do that. But guess what? I'm gonna do it. This is something I've always wanted to do. I'm gonna cook a full meal right here with the 240. We're gonna take it on a nice long drive, see if we get this thing up to warm enough temperature to cook my meal. So let's get to it. I got some extra strength Reynolds wrap here, and we are going to tear into this. Okay, let's get to it. So first step is gonna be my favorite. You guys can tell by my cars, rice. So rice is gonna be the first thing we start to heat up. Got a nice big piece of tin foil here. Some rice. Oh yes. Oh man, it's already dropping into the engine bay. Classic 240 stuff. I'm just gonna go for all of it. So, drop. So, I think I'm gonna double layer this so it doesn't rip. The rice we're gonna put back here behind the intake on top of the motor. Let's get that going. Then the chicken. So got some good Tyson chicken here. This is probably gonna have to go very close to the header, if I were to guess. Oh yes. Again, double wrap for good measure. Basically a cooking show at this point, which I absolutely love cooking. If you guys didn't know, I always learned that if you like to eat, you have to learn how to cook. So I learned how to cook. Okay. It's a good spot down here, but it's gonna have to be a little bit. Then we got the beans. So the beans can probably be cooked in this guy, but let's take the paper off, because you guys know me and fire. And then this stuff needs to stay relatively cool. I'll heat up the tortillas in a minute. Okay, so we got the beans right here up against the header. They are kind of locked in. They can only come out like that. We got the meat over here up against this header. It is definitely pretty tight in there. I'm a little weary on it though. I might relocate this a little bit. This would be a pretty good spot up against the cylinder head. Yeah, there we go. Up against the cylinder head in between the belt. That'll definitely get warm. This, questionable, may pop. Maybe I should put a hole in that. Let's put a hole in this. All right, let's get this thing fired up. I'm hungry, I need some lunch. So this now is a 500 horsepower Nissan taco maker, which is exactly what I wanted out of a car, so fits perfectly. I know it's not quite 500 horsepower, but we're gonna play it up for the newcomers. You guys that have seen these videos, don't tell them. All right, Bronte was jealous of my lunch, so she decided to partake, and I had enough tortillas for her. I don't have a cup holder either, so good thing you're here.
Oh, I thought you were going for me.
No, you are the cup holder in this scenario.
Gotta cook our lunch.
Yeah, it's not gonna cook itself.
What's the deal with the tin foil? Like, it'll be fine up there?
I mean, I've never done this. So, your guess is as good as mine.
You want to go by your blinker?
What?
You want to go in a blinker?
I don't have one of those. It's pretty fast.
That actually scared me, yeah. It might come like this a little too.
Yeah, I was spinning the tires.
Yeah.
I don't know, we probably hit like a pebble or something. This is a drift car, Bronte. This literally has the best turning radius of any car ever. Look.
Oh my god! With ease. I was holding on for dear life.
It was slow, that pull. Should have brought my little temperature gun to see how hot the food was. I thought people would call me a nerd. Guys, well, we made it. It is nice out here.
Oh, it feels hot.
Oh, I bet. Is all the food still there?
Yeah.
Do you see the beans?
Yeah, the beans are there.
Okay. Everything seems pretty warm. Mount.
Oh.
Okay, well, this is probably cool enough where I can pull it out.
How's it feel?
Feels pretty warm.
Really?
Yeah. This is the chicken,
Oh yeah.
but it's pretty
It's
cooked
warm.
chicken, so
All right.
we'll probably get the rice out of here. Rice, not so warm. Bad spot for the rice.
Oh yeah,
rice
that's
was,
not
like,
warm at all.
Cool when I first. Oh. Bad deal on the rice.
Oh my god, it's so cold.
It wasn't like in the
Wait,
freezer.
open the chicken and see.
The beans, they were in the hot zone. I was worried
Yeah.
about putting the rice down there though, because I don't like with just the tin foil. I was worried that it wouldn't make it.
Is it warm?
Yeah, it's warm.
I mean, I don't eat chicken, but oh my god, yeah, it is warm. Wow, it's like warm.
Now to get the beans, it's gonna be tough. Let me get my stuff out of here.
Thought you were gonna cook the tortillas.
I'm going to.
Oh, and you got a yoo-hoo, of course.
You think I'm just gonna come out here to a beautiful lunch spot like this and not have a yoo-hoo? What do you think I look like?
A nerd.
Hey, that's pretty accurate. Okay, so
Tortilla time?
yeah. It's pretty warm, but tortillas don't need to be that hot. I obviously couldn't put these on to drive them because it wouldn't have made it very far. Ooh, the beans are hot.
Really?
Yeah.
Need tongs for those? Or gloves?
Welding gloves. Touch that.
Ooh, oh my god, that's hot. That was the spot.
I know.
That
Unfortunately, I couldn't put everything there.
Wait, careful, don't touch it with your hands.
I mean, it's warm. I wouldn't consider it like boiling.
The can is like distraught.
The can was already like that when I bought it.
Oh, really?
Unfortunately. Now, Oh man, the rice being cold is a bummer.
Yeah.
But I can live with it.
You're making a rice, chicken and bean little taco.
And I got cheese.
Wait, I'm scared that's gonna like explode. Careful.
Well, it's already got holes in it, so
oh, okay.
it shouldn't. It's hot. Need my glove.
Yeah. To hold it and then lift that
Should
up.
grab my left glove.
Careful.
Okay. Should have grabbed a spoon.
Yum. Oh, look, you could see the steam coming off of them. That was definitely the spot for the beans.
Yeah, I kind of blew it on the rice.
Yeah.
Learn from my mistakes,
That's alright.
people. Learn.
Cheese.
Yeah, I brought cheese.
Let me feel these tortillas. Should I flip them?
Flip them.
They're not getting warm.
Hate
to break it to
you
you.
only need them mildly.
Oh wait, are they toasted a little bit?
They probably just come like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Alright, assemble.
we'll put the rice on first. Let's grab this guy. A little hot, but not crazy. This is actually hot where you can't really touch it. But I'm so strong.
Yoo-hoo, please sponsor Cooper. This is what it's product
I
placement.
don't ask for much, Yoo-hoo. None of it's warm.
Cold rice is the worst.
There's no such thing as bad rice.
Cooper loves rice, you guys. I don't know if anyone knows that, but he... There you go.
The beans are hot enough where they might counteract the rice.
Yeah.
Chicken, cooling down pretty quick. I probably jumped the gun on pulling the chicken out. Ooh, what a spot for lunch. Look at this. Just look at that view.
Wow. I found this spot.
I mean,
I've never sat here. This is
large
like,
pond, yeah.
yeah, see, look over there. It's like a nature preserve, I think.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's get a first bite. One bite taste test. How's the rice? Is it warm at all?
It's fine. It was pre-cooked, so it's not like hard.
Yeah.
I didn't bring any napkins.
So you just gotta wipe on the shirt.
Yeah, that's what I do anyways all day.
You do have like the sweat marks a little bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly, great. If any of you guys have a 240 out there, learn from me. Put things by the header instead of by the engine, really, but more by the header. But tacos worked out great.
You should. So for future, gotta put everything by the headers. That's the hottest spot, I guess, right? Probably, because you did 3 different spots.
I kind of knew that, but I was ambitious.
Yeah.
Thinking that the motor got hot enough. If I drove it longer, like if I did like a real hard driving session, it would probably all get warm.
Yeah.
But we only drove it for like, what, 20 minutes maybe
5,
at most.
10 minutes.
I'm gonna sit here, enjoy my tacos. But that'll do it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Keep it saucy. I'll see you next time.